Namaste. The accounting and finance function are the lifeline of our organization. This is a reminder and checklist for all team members to ensure that the following activities are carried out on a daily basis without fail and without any backlog. Record all sales transactions. Maintain accurate records of all sales transactions from each retail outlet, including cash and credit card payments, discounts, and any other adjustments. There should be no backlog on a day-to-day basis. Update cash and bank balances. Reconcile cash and bank transactions daily to ensure accurate records of cash inflows and outflows. Monitor expenses. Record and categorize all expenses incurred by each outlet, such as salaries, rent, utilities, inventory purchases, and any other expenses. Inventory management. Track inventory levels and record any discrepancies to help prevent stockouts and excess inventory. Record accounts receivable and payable. Update records of amounts owed by customers and amounts owed to suppliers. Tax liabilities. A report summarizing any tax liabilities incurred during the day, such as GST, TDS, or other applicable taxes, and the status of their remittance. Daily report. A daily report has to be prepared and sent by email to the management every day without fail. The format of the daily report is available in the common digital folder of the company. All entries to the accounting system must be completed without fail on a daily basis, and any backlog has to be reported. For any clarifications or suggestions, please feel free to share it with Biraj or Abhilash. So hope you have understood very clearly what you have to complete on a daily basis without fail. If you face difficulties in completing any of these activities in time, or you require any clarifications or want to share your suggestions, please feel free to reach out to Birja or Abhilash. Thank you and happy accounting.